Good morning, student. The day before yesterday, we discussed about how to find the trigonometric ratio, that is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, yes or no. And I gave one homework, and all of you did the homework correctly and send me the snap in our WhatsApp group. Now today we are going to discuss from the exercise 8.1. From it is in your page number 188, 181 in your NCERT book. So see the question number 2. Question number 1 I gave you the homework and all of you did the homework correctly. Now see the question number 2. In the figure 8.13, find tan p minus cot r. And the figure is given this one. This is the figure, and you have to find the difference from between tan p and cot r. Yes or no? So first, let me draw a triangle. So this is P, this is Q, and this is R. And the value of PQ is given. It is given 12 centimeter. Value of PR is given. It is given 13 centimeter. So we have to first find QR. Okay, and in the question it asks, we have to find the difference between tan P and cot R. That means we have to find the ratio tan for the angle P and cot for the ratio for the angle R. Now see, we have to find QR. So use the Pythagoras theorem. We get PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square, and the value of PQ is given 13 square, QR square, and the value of PR is given your PQ is your 12 square. PQ is your 12 square and PR is your 13 square. So we have to find QR. So QR square will be 13 square minus 12 square. So it will be 169 minus 144, that is 25. So QR square is your 25. So if QR square is 25, what will be the value of QR? So the value of QR will be then, so the value of QR will be your plus minus 5. But that day I told you that since QR is a side, we cannot take the negative side. So we have to take the positive value. So the value of QR will be now 5 centimeter. Now you have to find tan P and cot R, because you have to find the value of tan P minus cot R. For this, you have to find the value of tan P. Now see, tan P. What is the ratio tan? That means perpendicular by base. Now see, tan P, for the angle P, your perpendicular will be QR, because QR is opposite to P. So for the angle P, your perpendicular will be QR and base will be your PQ. So what is the value of QR? Just now we have found 5 centimeter and value of PQ is 12 centimeter. So it will be 5 by 12. Now you have to find the value of cot R. So now cot R will be your the reciprocal of tan. So it will be base by perpendicular. Now see, here for R, your perpendicular will be PQ, because P for the angle R, the perpendicular will be PQ. Why? Because PQ is opposite to R, and your base will be QR. So base will be your QR and perpendicular will be PQ. Now, what is the value of QR? 5 centimeter. And what is the value of PQ? your 12 centimeter. Yes or no? So it will be 5 by 12. So we have found the value 10p is equal to 5 by 12 and quarter is also 5 by 12. Now you have to find the value of 10p minus quarter. That means put the value 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. So your answer will be 0. Okay. Now see the question number 3. This is the question number 3. If sin A equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Similar type of question I discussed that day. Yes or no? The ratio is given. That means sin A is given 3 by 4. So if you draw one right angle triangle, suppose A, B, you can't take A as a right angle because the trigonometric ratio are given for the angle A. So A must be on acute angle. So suppose it is A. Now it is given sin A equal to 3 by 4. Now say for this angle A, the BC is perpendicular and AB is your base. That means the ratio of sin A is perpendicular base. So BC by AB. Now if you take equal to K, any positive number, then your BC will be 3K and AB will be 4K. So from here you can calculate the value of cos and tan. Yes or no? So do as a homework. Now see the question number 4. Let me solve the question number 4. Okay. So let me first draw one triangle, right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. A, B, C. Now see here it is given that 15 cot A equal to 8. So 15 cot A equal to 8. You have to find what? You have to find sin A and sec A. You have to find sin A and sec A. You have to find the value of sin A and sec A. And 15 cot A equal to 8 is given. So you have to find sin A and sec A. Now see, since the trigonometric ratio of cot is given for the angle A, so you can't take A as a right angle. So you can take B or C as right angle. Here we have taken B as a right angle. That means B equal to 90 degree. Now see, 15 cot A equal to 8. So 15 cot A equal to 8. So cot A will be 8 by 15. Now see, what is the ratio of cot A? Ratio of cot A is reverse of tan. So it will be base by perpendicular. Now see, here for the angle A, your perpendicular is BC, base is your AB, because BC is opposite to A, and your hypotenuse will be AC. So here cot A 8 by 15 equal to base by perpendicular. That means base is your AB and perpendicular is your BC. That means AB by BC equal to 8 by 15. If you take K, any positive number, so then we can write AB equal to 8K and BC equal to 15K. Up to this clear? Now see, we know the value of AB. We know the value of AB 8K. We know the value of BC 15K. We have to find the value of AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So write down by using Pythagoras theorem, it will be how much? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now put the value. The value of AB is your 8K whole square and value of BC your 15k whole square. So it will be 64k square plus 225k square. So if you add it, it will be 289k square. So no, this is AC square. So AC will be 289k square. Now I have already told you in the class that you have to remember at least square of at least 20. So root over 20 289. It will be, we know that 17 square equal to 289. So root over 289 will be 17. And root over k square. So if you take root over, it will be k, 17k. So your AC will be 17k. Now we have found the value of AC as 17k. We know the value of AB 8k. We know the value of BC 15k. Now we have to find sin A and sec A. Now see, sin A. Sin A will be perpendicular. The ratio is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now here the perpendicular is BC and the hypotenuse is your AC. So just put the value of BC we know 15k, the value of AC we know 17k. K and K will get cancelled. So 15 by 17 will be the value of sin A. Yes or no? Now you have to find sec A. Now you have to find sec A. Now see, sec A. Sec A is the reverse of cos A, and we know cos A is based by hypotenuse. So sec A will be your hypotenuse by base. Now here, see the figure, here the hypotenuse is your AC. So AC will be your hypotenuse and base will be your AB. So AB will be your base. We know the value AC, just now we have found 17k and AB 8k. So k and k will be cancelled. So it will be 17 by 8. So we have found the value sin A equal to how much? 15 by 17 and sec A equal to 17 by 8. Okay, this is the question number 4. Now let me see the question number 5. Now see the question number 5. Here it is given that given sec theta equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratio. If the sec theta is given, you have to find the all other trigonometric ratio. That means cos theta, sin theta, cosec theta, tan theta, cot theta. Okay. So let me solve the question. So let me draw one right angle triangle. Now see here it is given that sec theta equal to how much? 13 by 12. Sec theta equal to 13 by 12. So draw one triangle. Draw a right angle triangle. A, B, C. Okay. Now if you take this one as theta, you can take any angle A or C as theta and B as 90 degree. Here you can take A as 90 degree also, no problem. But here you have taken B as also 90 degree. Now you can take B as also your theta. Okay, this is no problem. Okay. Now see here, we have taken theta as angle A. Now see, for angle A, your BC will be perpendicular. Yes, no, because BC is opposite to A. AB will be base and AC will be hypotenuse. Yes or no? Now see, sec theta is given 13 by 12, and sec theta is the reverse of what? Cos theta. And cos theta we know base by hypotenuse. So sec theta will be your hypotenuse by base. So here hypotenuse which one? AC is the hypotenuse and base is your AB. Yes or no? Base is your AB. So that means we can take K, any positive number. That means here we can write AC by AB equal to 13 by 12 equal to K. So from here you can write AC equal to 13K and AB equal to 12K. Yes or no? Now see, by using Pythagoras theorem, we know the value of AB, we know the value of AC. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of BC. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? It will be AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So now put the value AC 13K whole square, and you take AB here, it will be negative 12K whole square equal to BC square. Now it will be 169K square, it will be 144K square equal to BC square. So it will be 25K square equal to BC square. So BC will be root over 25K square. So it will be 5K. You can't take the negative value. So you have to take the positive value. So the value of BC will be 5K. Now you have to find all the other trigonometric ratio. Yes or no? You have to find all the other trigonometric ratio. So we have found AB equal to, AB is given actually 13K. Yes or no? With the help of ratio you can find. Then BC is your, we just now have found 5K, and AC is your how much? 13K. Sorry, AB will be your 12K, not 13K. AB will be your 12K. BC is 5K and AC is 13K. Now start with sine theta. Here we have taken theta as angle A. So for sine theta, what is the ratio? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So for theta, perpendicular is your BC and hypotenuse is your AC. So it will be 5K by 13K. K and K will get cancelled. So it will be 5 by 13. Now see, cos theta, we already know the value of sin sec theta, and cos theta is the reverse of sec theta. So it will be AB by AC. So it will be 12 by 13. Now the reverse of sine is your cosec theta. So cosec theta will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. That means AC by BC. So AC will be your 13K, BC will be your 5K, K and K will get cancelled. So it will be 13 by 5. Now tan theta. Tan theta will be your perpendicular by base, and here perpendicular is your BC and base is your AB. Put the value of BC. BC is your 5K and AB is your 13K. So can we cancel? So it will be 5 by 13. And cot theta will be your reverse of tan theta. That means it will be AB by BC. Yes or no? So value of AB is 13K, value of BC is your 5K. So K and K will get cancelled. So it will be 13 by 5. So this is the value. So we have found the value sin theta as 5 by 13, cos theta as 12 by 13, cosec theta as 13 by 5, and tan theta is also 5 by 13. Yes or no? 1 minute. Here base will be AB. Sorry. The value of AB is 12K. Sorry, it will be your 12K, not 13K. It will be 12K because the value of AB is 12K. So it will be 5 by 12. And here also it will be AB, the value of AB is 12K, not 13K. 13K is the value of AC, not AB. So it will BC is 5K. So 5 by K and K will cancel. So 12 by 5. So this is the value of your cot theta. Okay. Next, now before solving the question number 6, first let me discuss one thing. This one. This is a table in which the value of sine 0, tan 0, cos 0, yes or no, then sine 30, cos 30, tan 30, the values are given. It is also in your NCERT book, in the page number, I think 185. Page number 180. See the page number 185, the table is given. Table 1.1. Now see, try to understand this one. Here, sine A, that means sine A, here in this column, the value of A is 0, sine 0, then cos 0, then tan 0, then cosec 0. In this column, the value of A is 30, sine 30, cos 30, tan 30. In this column, the value of A is 45, sine 45, cos 45, tan 45, cosec 45, sec 45, cot 45. Here, the value of A is 60, sine 60, cos 60, tan 60. Okay, now I have to remember it. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Again, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. Now see, then if you remember the value for the sine and cos, you can easily find the value, that means 0 degree, 30 degree for the tan. Why? Because tan we can write, 1 minute, because tan we can write here, because tan we can write as a ratio of your, tan we can write as a ratio of your sine A by cos A. Okay, then we can write as a ratio of sine A by cos A. So if you know that the value of sine A and the value of cos A, then you can easily find out the value of tan A. Suppose you are asked to find tan 0. Suppose you are asked to find tan 0. So if you know the value of sine 0 and cos 0, you can easily find tan 0. Sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So it will be, tan 0 will be what? 0, because if you divide 0 by any number, it will be 0. Then again, tan 30, sine 30 by cos 30. That means 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So it will be 1 by root 3. Sine 45 by cos 45. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. So it will be 1. then sine tan 60 means sine 60 by cos 60. That means root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so it will be root 3. Now see, sine 90 by cos 90, 1 by 0. Now see, it will be not different. Why? Because any number, it can be 1, 2 or anything. Any number, if you divide by 0, it will be infinite or not defined. That's why tan 90 is not defined. In the same way, cosec A is the reverse of sine A. Yes or no? So if sine 0 is 0, cosec 0 will be 1 by 0, not defined. In the same way, see this one, sec A. Sec 1 is not defined. Why? Because sec is the reverse of cos. So cos 90 is your 0. Cos 90 is your 0. So sec 90 will be 1 by 0 and it will be not defined. That's not defined. Again see, cot A, tan A is 0. So cot is the reverse of tan. So tan A is 0. So cot will be 1 by 0. So it will not defined. Again see, cot 90 is 0. Why? Because tan 90 is your not defined. That means your tan 90 is infinity. Now cot will be reverse of tan. So cot 90 will be 1 by infinity. So it will be 1 by infinity will be 0. Yes or no? 1 by 0 is infinity and 1 by infinity is 0. Okay. Now see the question number 6. Question number 6. See the question number 1 minute. See, this is the question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angle such that cos A equal to cos B, then show that A equal to B. Now that day I have told you what do you mean by acute angle. Acute angle means the angle whose values are less than 90 degree are known as acute angle, and obtuse angles are the angles whose values are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So acute angle are angle whose values are less than 90 degree. Obtuse angles are the angle whose values are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Now see here, A and B are two acute angles such that it is given cos A equal to cos B. We have to show that angle A equal to angle B. Okay. So let me solve the question. Here cos A equal to cos B is given. And it's also said that A and B are two acute angle. And you have to prove that angle A equal to angle B. Now see, here you have to clear about one concept. If you draw one right angle triangle, okay, listen to me carefully, and A, B, and C. If you draw one right angle triangle, and suppose you can't take A and B as 90 degree because they are acute angle, and the ratio is also given for the trigonometric ratios are also given for the angle A and B. So A and B cannot be 90 degree. So let C is 90 degree. Now if you take A and B in the same one triangle, then what is the problem? Now see, we know that summation of three angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. Now here already we know the value of C 90 degree. So but we don't know the value of A and B. Now see, here cos A equal to cos B, it is given in the question. And again you have to show that A equal to B. Cos A equal to cos B is given in the question. And again you have to show that A equal to B. Yes or no? That means two conditions are there. One is your cos A equal to cos B. This is the one condition. Second condition, you have to show that angle A equal to angle B. Now, if you take A and B in the same triangle, then this criteria will be applicable only if the value of A and B is 45 degree. Why? Because see, if A is 45 degree, B will be also 45 degree. Then the summation of the two angle will be 90 degree. And again, we know the value of C. So 90 plus 90, 180 degree. So this satisfies the criteria of a triangle. But if you take A equal to 30 degree, then B will be also 30 degree, because A you have to ultimately you have to show that A equal to B. So A will be 30, B will be also 30. So summation of A plus B will be 60. Now if you add the three angles, that means A plus B plus C, what is the value? A plus B, we have already found 60 degree. We know the value of angle C 90 degree, so 150 degree. So, but it will not satisfy the criteria of a triangle. So you can't take A and B as 30 degree. Okay, now if you take A and B as 60 degree, so now see, A plus B plus C, what is the value? A 60 degree, B is also 60 degrees. C we know the value 90 degrees. So 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 90, it will be 210 degree. Again, it will not satisfy the criteria of a triangle, that the summation of three angles of a triangle must be equal to 180 degree. But if some condition is given, this condition must applicable for any value. Try to understand. If some condition is given, this condition must be applicable for any value of A and B. Yes or no? But here we have already found, or we have proved that this condition is applicable only if the value of A and B is 45 degree. Yes or no? But apart from 45 degree, if A is 30 degree and B is 30 degree, or A and B equal to 60 degree, this condition cannot be applied, because here the it does not satisfy the criteria of a triangle. That's why we have to take angle A and angle B in a two separate triangle. Understand? That's why we can't take A and B in the same triangle. That's now I have discuss this. Yes or no? We can't take A and B in the same triangle. Why? Because if you take A and B in the same triangle, then the given condition cannot be satisfied for the all value of A and B. It will be satisfied only for the value of, only if the value of A and B is equal to 45 degree. But if the value of A and B is 30 degree or 60 degree, it cannot satisfy the condition. That's why we have to take two separate triangle. Yes or no? So let me take two separate triangle. Clear up to this concept? Now let me take two separate triangle. Suppose this is a triangle, one right angle triangle. Suppose P, Q, A. Here you have to take A here. Again you have to take one triangle R, S, B. Okay. So I have to write down. Let us consider two right angle triangle PQA and RSB, where the condition is given cos A equal to cos B. So now see, for the angle A, this is your perpendicular, this is your base, this is your hypotenuse. For the angle B, this is your perpendicular, this is your base, this is your hypotenuse. Now cos A will be your base by hypotenuse. Now that's why it will be AQ by AP. Here it will be cos B in this triangle. For the angle B, cos B, it will be BS by BR. Yes or no? That means AQ by AP equal to BS by BR. Now you can do one thing. AQ, take BS to this side. So AQ by BS equal to n AP to this side. Just cross multiply AP by BR. Okay. So AQ by BS equal to AP by BR. Let this K any positive number. Now from here you can write, you can give this is number 1. Okay. Now from here you can write what? AQ equal to KBR and not KBR, it will be Nasi. That means AQ by BS we can write K, and AP by BR also we can write K. Yes or no? So that means AQ will be your KBS, just cross multiply, and AP will be also KBR. You have to put the value. Okay. Just remember AQ is KBS, AP is KBR. Okay. Now you have to, we have already found the value of AQ. AQ is your KBS, AP is your KBR. Yes or no? Now see, that means we have to now find the value of PQ. So how can you find the value of PQ? Write down again in right angle triangle PAQ by using Pythagoras theorem. We get, now see, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, then the value of PQ will be root over AP square minus AQ square. Yes or no? PQ will be root over AP square minus AQ square, give number 2. And again, if you apply Pythagoras theorem to the right angle triangle BSR, write down again in right angle triangle BSR by using Pythagoras theorem, your RS will be root over BR square minus BS square, BR square minus BS square, take 3. Now divide 2 by 3. That means PQ by RS. So it will be AP square AQ square by BR square BS square. Yes or no? Now we know the value of AP. AP is how much? KBR. Yes or no? The value of AP is KBR and AQ is KBS. So value of AP is KBR and value of AQ is KBS. Let's put the value here. AP, that means KBR whole square minus KBS whole square. Again here it will be, keep it like this, BR square by BS square. Why? Because BR and BS will be get cancelled. Now if you break it, it will be K square BR square minus K square BS square. In the denominator it will be BR square minus BS square. Yes or no? Now see, if you take K common and if you take it outside, it will be K. It will be BR square minus BS square into BR square minus BS square. Yes or no? So like this. So this and this will get cancelled. So it will be K. So we have found that what? That PQ by RS equal to K. If number 4. Now see number 1. Number 1 is AQ by BS equal to AP by BR equal to K. And again number 4 is PQ by RS equal to K. So from 1 and 4, we can conclude what? That AQ by BS equal to AP by BR equal to PQ by RS. Now see, let me draw the triangle again. If you draw the triangle PQA, and if you draw the triangle BSR, then see the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. The ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Yes or no? Now see, AQ by BS equal to AP by VR equal to PQ by RS. So the ratio are these two triangles, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So if the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, in class 9 we found that if the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, then by side similarity criteria, triangle P. So by symmetric criteria, we can write triangle PQA similar to triangle RSA. Yes or no? And if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. So angle A equal to angle B. This is the proof. Clear? Okay. Now see the question number 7. Now see, if cot theta equal to 7 by 8, you have to find 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta and cot theta. Now see, just I'll give the hint. Cot theta equal to cot theta equal to 7 by 8. So if you draw one triangle, suppose if you draw one triangle A, B, C, and if you take this is theta, this is for question number 7, okay? This is theta, then we know cot theta is the reverse of tan theta. So for theta, this is the perpendicular, this is the base, this is the hypotenuse. So cot theta will be your base. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So cot theta will be base by perpendicular. So that means cot theta will be your AB by BC. And AB by BC is given 7 by 8. Now if you take K, that means your AB will be 7K and your BC will be 8K. That means your AB is your 7K and BC is your 8K. Now you can find the AC. Now if you find the value of AC in terms of K, then you can find the value of sin theta. Then if you after finding and cos theta also, and after finding the value of sin theta and cos theta, put the value here, you can find the value. Same here, cot theta 7 by 8. So cot theta is 7 by 8. So cot theta means your cos theta by sin theta. We know that tan theta is your sin theta by cos, ratio of sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta will be the ratio of cos theta, the reverse one, cos theta by sin theta. So, and you have already found the value of cos theta and sin theta. Just put the value, you can find the value. Okay. So do this as a homework. Question number 7 and question number 3. These two do as a homework. So in the next part tomorrow, I'll discuss the next part. Thank you.